So we're back with this, and we are back again with the Video 2000 deck. And last week I left you trying to get into the deck itself. So I'm just undoing this bottom panel, and I've just noticed very long screws. So I'm actually wondering if this bottom panel is the key to our success, possibly. So let's get these 4 screws undone. So there's one in each corner. And I'm actually wondering if these actually, I'm saying actually an awful lot. The word actually. I'm wondering if these screws hold effectively the sandwich of the machine together. So the machine is of sort of a modular construction where you've got base, midsection, upper and fascia. It would be quite different to a lot of other VCRs of this era. So a lot of the machine's contemporaries, which would have been, for this particular deck, probably the Sony C5, which was a entry-level Betamax machine, all electronic, and the venerable, sturdy Ferguson 3V2022, which was a JVC. I can't remember the JVC model, to be honest with you, but that was a JVC of some description. Again, all very sturdy, solid machines. C5 had its moments, but on the whole, not a bad machine. So in the marketplace, this particular machine would have been up against those. And for servicing, the Beta and VHS machines are definitely a heck of a lot easier to service than this. A lot easier to get into. However, the construction of this one is very impressive. PYE was more of a sort of a more value offering from Phillips. I mean, this particular set I've got here, which has the KT3 chassis, is also badged up as a Phillips. So I'm not actually sure what they were trying to do, or indeed if they were similarly priced. I can't remember, to be honest. I haven't got the price guides to hand, but it always seemed that sort of PYE was a more, I guess, the more sort of value offering than Phillips. Possibly a more anglicised English offering than Phillips, which was, I think, still always has been a Dutch company. So we're actually inside the machine now, and that is one heck of a power supply, and that is one heck of a deck arrangement. This is astounding. Huge motor here, which is the head, and this huge board here, which is, you can see that? You see that? All of the boards going to these machines vertically. So this is like the motherboard. Then you've got additional daughter boards which go into it. It's the same with the Grundig 2X4s of the same era. This is the power supply, which is not a switch mode affair as far as I can tell, judging by the fact it's got that absolutely enormous transformer. Some pretty colossal capacitors going in there as well, blue Phillips brand items. Can't remember if it's those which cause issues or not. I know there are some electrolytics in the Bang & Olufsen BioVision sets of this era, so the 7700, 5500 and 8800 series. Though I think they're red capacitors, not sure of the brand, but they do cause problems and need to be replaced on site. Not so sure about these blue ones. They do look to be in good shape, to be honest. I can't see any bulging or anything of that sort of nature. So my general rule is, if it doesn't need replacing, don't replace it, just leave it be. If it's happy where it is, let it alone, don't touch it. There is, though, a switch here, and I think we shall get into there with a little bit of switch cleaner. Whilst we've got the bottom off of the machine, it would be rude not to be honest with you. So let's get in there with a bit of Servicol Super 10. There we go. A little bit of switch cleanery going on there. Is there any more switches? There's a, that looks like a little relay there. Oh blimey, another pair of motors here. So these motors are actually for the spools. So it looks like we've got capstan, head, spool, spool. So this machine is, unlike a lot of its contemporaries, direct drive for pretty much everything, which is incredibly high end, I'm not going to lie. The only VHS machine I've seen of this era that's got direct drive is the professional quality JVC that I've got. Anyway, let's wrestle this up and see if removing those screws and that base panel has done anything for me in this. Would you look at that? So it would appear, as I suspected, that the machine is held together by those screws underneath, and removing those screws allows the whole unit to pretty much come apart. And that should come up, hopefully. I was just a bit worried I broke a circuit board there, but I think we're okay. And there it is. The machine in all its glory. In fact, I will plug it back in a second and just check that it still functions. Oh, that's even louder when you got the cover off. So, let's bring this up, this plungery thing here. Put this down, move the plunger backwards, we'll move it to one side like so, move it backwards, and we should be able to clip it back into place. Easier said than done, but we are getting there. Oh, let's go down again. Actually, let's do a quick test. Does it power on? Okay. Eject obviously won't work. Those won't work because it's obviously all out in the open. But if we come down, move that out of the way. Get that flat blade in there actually. There you go. Then what we can do is hopefully rotate this around and get it to meet up with the cradle itself. Might actually need to do it this way, so bring that around, bring this down, get that pushed out of the way, which it seems to have done. And check where it's sitting. Oh, there it goes, locks into place. So let's grab a tape, go for the eject, there we are, put in the cassette, and I don't think I can remove that without unscrewing it, but if we hit play, and there it goes, tape's laced and it's playing. So press stop twice because stop actually doubles as pause as well, which is actually a good use of resource, funnily enough, actually very good. So if we put this back into its case, power off the machine, and let's take a look at the switches within the deck itself. So we need to move this out of the way again, which I will do with the aid of a flat-bladed screwdriver and careful persuasion. Or slightly more robust persuasion, whichever way you want to look at it. Flat blade, dries out of the way. And hopefully that should move out of the way. Yep, there we are. So that should, there you go, come up and move out of the way completely. So we've now got everything in full display. So let's come over and take a look. And to tease you even further, I'm actually going to end it there. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.